Before whipping the cream, you need to separate the whey from this low fat cream. So I'm going to cut the top part of this packet. So I have snipped off the tops. Now we are going to refrigerate this overnight before separating the whey from the cream. Our cream is chilled. Now I'm going to scoop out the thick part of this cream into a bowl which I have kept in the freezer for about 1 hour. So I have taken down the thick part of the cream and the watery thing is here. You can use this watery cream for adding in the gravies or the curries. So now we are going to whip the cream. I'm going to keep this thick cream into an ice bath. I have just kept some ice cubes in a bowl with some water. We need to keep this cream ice cold for whipping it perfectly. So I'm going to use this beater today. You can also use a normal hand whisk, but that takes a lot of effort. So I'm going to use this electric beater to whip this. This low fat cream is not only difficult to whip but is also double as expensive as the normal non-dairy whipping cream that we get in the market. So our cream has doubled in volume. Now it's the right time to add the icing sugar to it. You can also use normal powdered sugar. And I'm also going to add some ice cubes to the ice bath below. Now I'm going to start whipping it again. Our whipped cream is ready, that too using low fat 25% cream. It's stiff and perfect for any kind of desserts, cakes, pastries or eating just like that. Sometimes what happens is the cream does not get as stiff as this. The main reasons can be the thick cream was not separated really well from the thin cream, or the weather was too hot, or the beater's bowl and the cream was not chilled, or the ice bath was not really cold, or maybe it needed some more whipping. If that happens, you need to stabilize that cream. For stabilizing the cream, we use agar-agar, gelatin or chocolate. I'm going to show you how to stabilize cream sometime later.